Good morning, dear children. Now we can continue our computer class today. Our chapter Parts of Computer. We finished our chapter Parts of the Computer in the last week. Then today we can discuss our exercise. Before starting our exercise, let's recap our chapter Parts of Computer. See, this is a computer system. This is a computer system. There are four main parts of the computer: monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. First one is monitor. This is a monitor. This monitor looks like a TV screen. Monitor looks like a TV screen. And then it shows all the works done by us. It displays the results. നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുന്ന വർക്ക്സ് എല്ലാം കാണാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് മോണിറ്റർ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ ഈസ് CPU. CPU means Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of the computer. CPU is the brain of the computer. It helps computer to think and do all the works. കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിലെ എല്ലാ വർക്കും ചെയ്യുന്നത് CPU ആണ്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ ഈസ് കീബോർഡ്. Keyboard. It is a keyboard. A keyboard has many buttons which are called keys. And a keyboard is used to type anything in the computer or write anything in the computer. Next part is a mouse. See, this is a mouse. A mouse is used to point and select things on the computer, and it helps us to draw pictures and play games. These are the main parts of computer. There are four main parts: keyboard, mouse, monitor and CPU. Then we can discuss our exercise corner. Let us discuss our exercise corner. See, all of you take page number 19. Exercise corner. First question, fill in the blanks. Choose words from the box. Here one box is there, 5 options there. Here 5 questions there. First question is, a computer has dash main parts. A computer has dash main parts. See the answer. Correct answer you can choose from here. See here 4. The correct answer is 4. F-O-U-R. Write it there. F-O-U-R. 4. Okay. A computer has 4 main parts. Same. Next question. The dash looks like a TV. The dash looks like a TV. The correct answer from here, monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. Write it here. The monitor looks like a TV. Okay, finished. Then move to the next question. We use a dash to type. We use a dash to type. We use a keyboard to type. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. Write it there. We use a keyboard to type. We use a keyboard to type. Finish? Then we can move to the next question. Okay. A keyboard has many buttons called dash. A keyboard has many buttons called dash. What is the answer? Keys. K-E-Y-S. Keys. K-E-Y-S. Keys. Correct answer is keys. A keyboard has many buttons called keys. Write it. Then move to the next question. We use a dash to select things on the monitor. We use a dash to select things on the monitor. We use a mouse to select things on the monitor. We use a mouse to select things on the monitor. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. We use a mouse to select things on the monitor. Finish that 5 questions. The first one is a computer has 4 main parts. Second question, the monitor looks like a TV. Third question, we use a keyboard to type. Fourth question, a keyboard has many buttons called keys. Fifth question, we use a mouse to select things on the monitor. Okay, then move to the next section. Write T for true or F for false. True or false. Write T for true and F for false. Then first question. A monitor is called the brain of the computer. Is it true or false? Monitor ആണോ brain of the computer എന്ന് അറിയപ്പെടുന്നത്? എന്താണ് brain of the computer എന്ന് അറിയപ്പെടുന്നത്? What is the brain of the computer? Which part is known as brain of the computer? The brain of the computer is CPU. So this one is wrong. So here false. A monitor is called brain of the computer. Answer false. Write here F. The next one, buttons on the mouse are called keys. Is it true? Buttons on the mouse are called keys. മൗസിൻ്റെ ബട്ടൺസിനാണോ കീസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്? നോ, കീബോർഡിൻ്റെ ബട്ടൺസിനാണ് കീസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. സോ ദിസ് ആൻസർ ഓൾസോ ഫോൾസ്. ഹിയർ ഓൾസോ ഫോൾസ്. Buttons on the mouse are keys. Answer false. Then third one, a keyboard shows the work we do on the computer. നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുന്ന വർക്ക് നമ്മൾ എവിടെയാണ് കാണുന്നത്? കീബോർഡിലാണോ കാണുന്നത്? Is it true or false? False. നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുന്ന വർക്ക് നമ്മൾ കാണുന്നത് മോണിറ്ററിലാണ്. So this answer also false. A keyboard shows the work we do on the computer. That's also false. Write it there, false. Then next one. We use a mouse to point and select things on the monitor. That's true. That we know mouse ആണ് പോയിന്റ് ചെയ്യാനും സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യാനും യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. So that answer is true. Then fifth question. A CPU looks like a TV. CPU ആണ് TV പോലെ കാണുന്നത്. എന്താ TV പോലെ കാണുന്നത്? A monitor looks like a TV. Okay? So here answer is false. A CPU looks like a TV. The answer is false. So a monitor is called brain of the computer. False. Buttons on the mouse are called keys. False. A keyboard shows the work we do on the computer. False. We use a mouse to point and select things on the monitor. True. A CPU looks like a TV. False. Here only one true, other all false. Just write this all in your textbook. The next one, rearrange the letters to get the names of the computer parts. Very simple. Here some letters are there. You can rearrange the letter. That picture also here. So you can rearrange the letter and write the correct word here. These all are the parts of the computer. So you can write it yourself. Okay. Then next one, answer the questions. First question, which part of the computer is called its brain? What is the answer here? The answer is CPU. All of you write the question answer also here in the textbook itself. Okay, textbook തന്നെ നിങ്ങൾ question answer എഴുതിയാൽ മതിയാവും. Because only small question answers this. So you can write question answers also here. വിച്ച് പാർട്ട് ഓഫ് എ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ ഈസ് കോൾഡ് ഇറ്റ്സ് ബ്രെയിൻ? ഏത് പാർട്ടാണ് കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിൻ്റെ ബ്രെയിൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്? CPU. ആൻസർ CPU. സെക്കൻഡ് വൺ, വിച്ച് പാർട്ട് ഓഫ് എ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ ലുക്സ് ലൈക്ക് എ TV? TV പോലെ ഇരിക്കുന്ന പാർട്സ് ഏതാണ്? മോണിറ്റർ. MONITOR. മോണിറ്റർ. ആൻസർ ഈസ് മോണിറ്റർ. റൈറ്റ് ദെയർ. തേർഡ് വൺ, വാട്ട് ആർ ദി ബട്ടൺസ് ഓൺ ദി കീബോർഡ് കോൾഡ്? കീബോർഡിലെ ബട്ടൺസിന് എന്താണ് പറയുന്നത്? ആൻസർ ഈസ് കീസ്. ആൻസർ ഈസ് കീസ്. ഓക്കെ, ആൻസർ ഈസ് കീസ്. ദെൻ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദി യൂസ് ഓഫ് എ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ മൗസ്? ഈ ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ ഇത്തിരി വലുത്, അതും നിങ്ങൾ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്കിൽ തന്നെ എഴുതിയാൽ മതിയാവും. വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദി യൂസ് ഓഫ് എ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ മൗസ്? Mouse is used to point and select things on a computer. Mouse is used to point and select things on a computer. You want to by heart these all the question answer also. These all spellings we already studied in the previous classes, so it's very easy. All of you write and study these four question answers 3 times in your rough book and send it to me today itself. And study these question answers very well and very neatly. Okay. What is the use of a computer mouse? Mouse is used to point and select things on a computer. See, exercise, only this much exercise are there in the first section. Fill in the blanks. Just study these all the fill in the blanks question answers and write true or false. Then study that question answers also. Okay. Then in the next page, one fun activity is there that also you want to do. See, collect pictures of the parts of a computer from any magazine or newspaper. Paste them in the space given below. See, in this space you can collect some pictures of the parts of the computer and then paste it here. And then paste stickers from the stickers page to form a simple computer system. Also write the names of the different parts of a computer. In your textbook, in the last page, one sticker is there. You can take that sticker and then paste it in this space and write the names of that parts here. Okay. This activity you can do yourself. Only this much there in this chapter. So study well. All the best, my dear students. Thank you.